of 80 as at now, and we through building a safe and so the strategy guiding principles are at the same time foundations of the networks that interconnect the
Secretary, Interior, ICT,
computer or cyber related. At the same time,
all of us need to accept the reality of this life, that the cyberspace is where all action is going to be, all meaningful action. As governments, as private sector players, all of us have invested heavily in the cyberspace. And we probably have no option. As long as we live and as long as we transact, the bulk of our businesses and the bulk of our activities are going to operate and ride on the cyberspace. And policing the cyber, where very sophisticated and dynamic crime is going to occur. And this is the space where, as I said, creating a very sustainable infrastructure for policing is difficult, not just to our government, but to governments around the world.
2017, the cybercrime bullies in social media, they are so rampant compared to what I'm seeing this year. That means the introduction of the law has started having impact. But it's the beginning. We are expecting for us to continue investing in this area until we become secure. We are not standing on isolation. I know this is a global problem. We are part of it.